Saturday, September the 19th. We've had this jacket for about 6 or 7 years. I think I need to go get something to go with it. Alright guys, here's the new addition to the family. It's a 2010 Harley Davidson Road King. And I was looking at earlier bikes from around 2000, 2002. But in 2009 they had a major redesign of the Road King. And I thought it would be better if I spent a few more dollars and got a few more of the options that were available on the 2010 versus the earlier Road Kings, although I quite like the early Road Kings as well. This was kind of a later decision that I'd go find one that was a little newer. So this one's got cruise control, which was important to me. It's got electronic cruise control. It's got ABS brakes on it with Brembo brakes. These are actually not the stock rims on this bike. These are actually from a Street Glide, and the previous owner was telling me that he prefers the Street Glide rims because they're easier to clean. I actually do have the original rims that came with the bike. He gave those to me, and I can understand why he'd have a hard time cleaning the stock rims on this bike. They are kind of difficult to get into all the nooks and crannies, so happy to have the Street Glide rims. It is a 96 cubic inch. It's got another reason why I wanted the later bike was this has a 6-speed transmission. The earlier Road Kings only had a 5-speed. The earlier Road Kings also had some cam chain tensioner issues, and they've been resolved by this year, so we should be good to go there. The bike has 55,000 kilometers on it. I did buy it from the original owner, so I was happy about that. I prefer to buy bikes that are obviously original owner or one-owner bikes, because a lot of the times you're dealing with buying older Road Kings. They probably had 4 or 5 owners by the time you get around to it. So got a security system on it as well, 2 key fobs, so that's good. It's got the hard bags on it. I actually prefer the I think I prefer the Road King Classic look with the soft bags, but I can always convert this to soft bags if I want to. The one thing I'll probably change on this bike is the not a big fan of the 2-up seat, so I'll probably end up getting a solo seat on this bike. It did come with a few more options. It came with the detachable quick detach windscreen, which is there, the backrest, and the rack as well. So I'm not a big fan of any of those, although the windscreen is kind of imperative to have that if you're riding on any long trips. The wind gets a little bit troublesome at times if you don't have a windscreen, so they are good for when you're on a little bit longer trip around town. It's fine running without the screen, but for longer trips the screen is nice for sure. So I don't know what else to tell you about it. Obviously still needs to be registered and plated. Hopefully I'll be able to get that done this week. Obviously need to get the insurance on it. I did sell, for any that have been following along, I did sell my BMW R1150 RT, and I sold my Indian Drifter. So those 2 bikes are out of the picture. Actually, I put the money from those 2 bikes towards the purchase of this bike. And Harleys are significantly more expensive, probably than they should be. But if you want to play, you got to pay. So I paid. Anyway, there it is, the 2010 Road King. Can't let you go before I start it up, so let me get the camera stand, and we'll set you up behind the bike and we'll give her one quick start up. Alright, here we go. stock pipes Still sounds pretty good. Got a front marker light out that I need to fix before I take it to get certified for safety. Down here. One single bulb. So I should be able to get a little bit of riding in before the season closes out here. So there it is, 2010 Road King.